We want to figure out which days are the best to do practice or plan any kind of event on a specific day. And we have a bunch of people that want to say yes or no, or sometimes to this. And we've created this rubric, I would say, which says each person should fill in their own personal yes, sometimes, or never on each day. And then at the top we have a heat map that shows us, generally speaking, what are the better days and which days to avoid. So let's build this from scratch. We're going to need a header row. We'll make it dark here and we'll make it here. We need a name. We need Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can also augment this. You can put more things here if you want to break up morning, evening. But let's delete the extra rows. Let's delete the extra columns and fill in a few names there. We're going to create a drop-down menu for each one. Drop down. First one is going to be yes. Then sometimes we want to add another item, never. We want to color code these yes, green, sometimes yellow, and red for never. Click done. We can then copy and paste this all the way down. Let's actually delete some extra rows and let's fill it out. What I like to do here though is make sure that I don't like the chips, so I'll change these all to arrows. Done. I will actually also center everything up, both vertically and horizontally. So let's fill in a few of these. Let's make some sometimes. Give it a little bit more space. And let's start counting. So we're gonna have yes at the top, sometimes, and then never, and then never. Here we're going to do equals count if, and we're going to count the range of B5:B. The criterion is going to be just clicking A1. Now we want to copy and paste this all the way down. So what we're going to need to do is we are going to hold the A column. So we'll put a $sign in front of the A. And we also want to put a $sign in front of the 5 here because we don't want the first row to change as we copy paste it. So now as we copy paste it, we can see that this is the exact formula we want. We want yes, sometimes calculated here, and the B5 is also staying. So copy paste that there and copy paste that all the way across, and then copy paste all of them. So now we have our numbers. We have 3 yeses here, 2 yeses. You can see this going. Let's fill in a few more and add some nevers so we can see that's working as well. Now for the heat map. Let's give everything a little bit more space. We're going to select just the yes and sometimes rows for now. We're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. And instead of a single color, we want a color scale. We want to click on the default format of this coloring. We just want to make sure that it is white to green because we want the highest number to be the darkest green. Click done. Then what we want to do is select the never, add another rule, make sure that it is the correct range we're applying to. And again, go to color scale, but click on the green color scale here and change this to white to red because we want to show up the darkest red as nevers, and that is our max value here. Click done. So as we select maybe some more nevers here, they will automatically come up red, and the darker red is going to be the days to avoid, and the darker green is going to be the days that where most people can practice or join an event or something like that. And that makes it really easy for each individual person to give their own schedule, but be able to analyze this objectively from the top, just an overall number. And that's how you get event days or schedule an event based on people's attendance ability.